LEGO announced yet another set for San Diego Comic-Con 2018. This is set number 75997, Ant-Man and the Wasp. It's based on a scene from the movie, and that's not a spoiler because you can see that play out in the trailer as well. But you have this oversized likeness of the Ant-Man as well as the Wasp minifigure. The box itself looks a lot like the same kind of style that we got with the Millennium Falcon and Aquaman San Diego Comic-Con exclusive sets. Very unique, very cool, looks just like a comic book. That's it. Thanks for watching. This has been the Fanboy Cantina.